All right, guys, I've got a first look at our newest product that we had manufactured to add to the Simply Lettered line. So here it is. This is a set of high quality flashcards that we had manufactured. The box is meant to kind of match our second product that we'll be launching in this fabric canvas type bag. So it'll be a full collection for the Cursive connection, but also for our new print program that is launching. So inside there are 74 cards. That means there's 26 of the print letter, 26 of the cursive letters, and then 10 of each number. So 10 print numbers, 10 cursive numbers. They have a front side, which looks like this, and then a chalkboard back side with the handwriting lines. The print ones include the capital and the lowercase, and then also a sound cue. So when I'm teaching, I use like appetizing apples. And then for the cursive, it includes the capital, lowercase, and a word sample for the picture. And then on the back, it includes the handwriting lines. There's a little feather that guides you to the first starting point, and then each dot is where a pencil starts. So I wanted to give you a full overlook of these, as these will be available for our customers and also for our wholesale clients. They do come shrink wrapped, really beautiful box. And let's open it up and look. All right, so these are 4 by 6, so a little bit larger. That way, if you need to display them, they're large enough you could display like up on a chalkboard, whiteboard, wherever you're at for the day, or you can lay them next to you on the table. So about 4 by 6. Each one have these beautifully sourced vintage images. I'm just going to pull out the cursive and flip through them. So here's what the cursive look like. And then on the back are the handwriting strokes. So for example, here's the O. You start at the dot with the feather, circle around, dot with the feather, up, around, under. Let me find one that has 2 starting points, like the K. You're going to start here, loop around, down, lift, start here for your second point. So it has the handwriting guides. It also has the cursive numbers. The numbers include just 3 circles for counting, and then on the back the same circles for counting, and then the handwriting guide. And then it'll be the same thing for the print, and this is a complete set, cursive and print. That way you can compare. You can, compare the cursive to the print if you have younger students using print, older students using cursive. There is a million of ways to use these. I will eventually have several downloads of games and activities you can do with the flashcards, but for now, just a basic reference for both cursive and print. So the print have the capital and lowercase and the matching picture, same pictures as the cursive ones, the vintage themed. And then I also have a sound cue. When I'm teaching, I did this when I taught kindergarten, and I've done it when I have homeschooled my own children. My triplets are now going to 1st grade. So if I have a sound cue like appetizing apples, it instantly triggers their brain, oh, that's an A. Or if I go odd octopus, then they're thinking, oh, octopus, that's O. So I always just have a sound cue that I can use for every letter consistently. I think that's the key word. As long as you're consistent, then they can recall those in their brain, what letter they're looking for. So we've got A through Z, of course, and then same on the back. We have the handwriting cues in this fun chalkboard style. There's a couple more. And then we also have the flashcards 0 through 9. They have the counting dots, 8, 9, and then they have the handwriting strokes on the back. And again, all in this beautiful, hard, sturdy, it's like a, I don't what kind of box. I was going to say like a card box, but not like the folding card box. It's like a game card box. So it's really sturdy, so you can keep your cards nice and flat and together as a set. Oops. There we go. And then again, it just has both a full cursive and a full print set. Right now, I thought that was the best option because most of my people that are using the cursive program with their older students are wanting the print program for their younger students. So a lot of families are doing both. Some families choose only to do cursive, some families choose only to do print, but that way you have options. So these will be launching on the site very soon. They are in production right now, and I will get them up as soon as they are on their way to us. So I would guess within the next 2 or 3 weeks. So stay tuned on the email list and on the website to add these to your handwriting curriculum. Thanks, guys. Enjoy.